All right, let's continue with our ranking. Our current ranking is global ranking is 3315, and country ranking is 49. And looks like since yesterday no one has passed me. No one in this area is trying harder, so that's a win for me. So let's see, let me use burp suite. Who has the next country anyway, because I'm getting closer to page 1. So my current aim is to get to page 60, right? So let's do that. Why is it taking so long? Did it crash? Unlikely. Okay, delete and delete. Getting too long. Remove the logger to save the resources and go to dashboard and delete this one. All right, so let's go to proxy. Come on, let's go to proxy and open browser. Oh, it's getting so long. Hey viewers, what's your global rank? You can put that in the chat. Oh, it's taking its time. What the hell's wrong with this? Natus 21. Let's use 21. That's where we left off yesterday. And let's see. Let's use cherry tree. It is 21. And this one. All right. Okay. This website is co-located with this website. Okay, so you need to log in as admin to retrieve the credentials of Natus 22. Okay, so basically co-location means both this website and this website is existing in the same server, so both use same credentials. So Natus 21. Okay, so this one doesn't have any functionality, but this one has some functionality. So if you just update it to red, it would update it to red. And we just go back to proxy, and here we have all this data. And if you can send this to repeater, you have all of this. So we need to log in as administrator. So since these are co-located, their databases must be in the um, same database, right? Same server. So if I try to get an admin access over here, then I can get admin access over here as well. So let's do that. And I can do that by just adding a parameter over here. So ampersand admin equals to 1. Let's send it. Okay, so now I have injected admin equals to 1. So I can check that by using this debug functionality, because I can see that there is a debug functionality over here. So I can check with that debug. And as you can see, I'm an admin here. So once I'm an admin here, I can click this one. It will bring me back to this website, but it will take the session cookie from here to the new website. Okay, so it didn't do that. So I think we just delayed a bit. So let's do that again. Click. Okay, you mean you have the admin cookie? All right, so this cookie might be having an admin. Okay, so let's open it in a new tab, and didn't happen. Cool. Let's do that with yellow. Update. Okay, and then do this debug thing again. Okay, now you don't have this admin thing. So you send this one again. Let's see what happens. I'm opening this over here, and it didn't happen. Interesting. So let me just copy this cookie and paste it over here. All right, so let's reload. Now I have two cookies, which doesn't make any sense. Why does it say this? Okay, so it has two cookies here. So I deleted the old one. Okay, what does this mean? Okay, delete. Okay, I don't have this debug thing. Okay, do I have? Okay, I have nothing. So it's just deleting the cookies or session contents. So I need to be really fast in doing this, I guess. So let's remove all the things and keep this one, and let's keep red or blue or whatever that is, and let's remove these session cookies as well. Let's see, everything is clean. Okay, so let me go to proxy intercept and click. Okay, and then say and admin equals to 1. Let's forward it. Intercept off. Let's click, and did not log in as okay. Something's just bugging this. Hold on. It should work because it has admin cookie. It just doesn't allow me to do that. Okay, this one has this. This one has a different cookie. So let me just reload with this cookie and say, oh my god, it just crashes a lot. Something's fishy. Let me check the source code in both the websites. Maybe that would give some clue. Okay, so if the session cookie and array exists admin and admin equals to 1, then you are admin. Okay, the session must exist. Okay. So that's exactly what I did. What about this one? Submit request for each. So create a session cookie. Okay, so you can check with the debug and also align the center, and all of this is same. And valid keys for devalid keys session, and once it is done, what to do? Okay, so let me go back to yellow, which means it should update with yellow. And I would just remove all of these things and along with this as well. Now everything is clean. Let me just update with this. Now I have a new cookie. Now I'm gonna say something like blue, but this time I'm gonna intercept and say and admin equals to 1. All right, so intercept off, and still a regular user. What the hell's going on? Okay, I'm gonna change this. I think it might be the problem with the browser, don't you think? Oh, look at that. Look at that, easy. Cool. So let's take this, go back, ranking, challenges, account, bar boxes, over the wire, natus. Hmm. Okay, I'm no longer here. Cool. Now my current ranking is 3256. Let me just update this, and country rank is same. So let's move on to the next one. This one was tricky, but it's no longer tricky anymore. So natus 22, this one, control A, and natus 22. Let's go. And I have nothing. I mean, nothing here. Source code includes nothing. This one includes nothing. Okay, if the session has admin equals session, then okay, cool. Okay, Revelio. Interesting. Okay. So we can say something like in the get request, if the Revelio exists somewhere Okay, so something like question mark reveal, then it should reveal the password, right? Okay, it's not doing that. Interesting. Okay, / reveal equals to something. Oh, cool. It's not responding to me anymore. Hmm. But that's what it means, right? No longer useful, so interesting. Interesting, isn't it? Oh, I understood. I understood. Okay, it's just redirecting to the same page, so there must be something that's happening right here. Look at that. Easy. Yes. hmm Come on, come on. Increase my rank. hmm Okay, we just updated. Let's see, 145 points. And this one is getting closer to 3,000. So must be working pretty hard. Let's see, 48 bumped up a rank. All right, so what do we have next? Next we have native 23. Jeez. Oh, sorry. Mm-hmm. Okay, who knows the password? Okay, now we have something to work on right here. Let's see, what can we put? We'll just try to put this. Let's see. Okay, nothing happens. Okay, we get a warning, which means something is happening here. So we just have to say that in the password, I mean in this parameter, there should be I love you, but this should also be greater than this. Okay, it should contain this. Okay, string means this string should contain, and it should be greater than 10. There should be something like a type juggling or something. So we can say something like 22, which is greater than 10, and I love you. So this should work. Let's see. Okay, this is type juggling. Okay, cool. Nate is 24. Done. All right, so where else should I paste it? I should paste it over here, and done. All right, so do I see something in the chat? Nothing. Hello viewers, hello hackers, and let's move on to the next one. come on, come on. Okay, we have. Okay, let me see if I got any bump in the score. I got nothing. The global rank just pushed a bit. Okay, but the country rank remains same. Okay, so let's move on to the next one, which is native 24. Remove da, 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 4. Native 24, and it's not possible. Okay, it's the same thing. Let's move on. Let's see the source code. Okay, so it's string comparison. Okay, so if this becomes false, which means it becomes true. If it becomes false, it becomes true, which means it should be true. So it becomes false. So okay, so it has to become false somehow. So the request should not contain the password. So okay, so it shouldn't contain this, so it should change it to something else. So we did this thing before, so we'll do the same thing again. So let's see if it actually works. Okay, so it's crashing, right? Okay, we're getting a warning. It's a string comparison, expect the parameter to be a string, but we gave an array. So it just crashed, so we got this one. Okay, cool. Natus 25. Let's see. Anything in the chat? Cool. So it wouldn't matter. Wouldn't matter. You're still a fan. Okay, 26 and 27. Let's see. Those things must be pretty difficult, I guess. So 3147. So do I need to reload? Yes. 3105. Cool, I got a bump in 2 rankings. Let's see. Okay, I bypassed this guy and some other guy. Who is this guy? What is he doing? Okay, over the wire 10%, hack the box something. So hack the box.eu. How can I connect hack the box to this? Can hack me. So I think I should start hacking the hack the box because it's recently done. Who is this Indian guy anyway? So I need to learn how to connect this hack the box machine and also root me 247 CDF. This guy got tons of good stuff. Ring 0 team. Oh my god. W3 Charles. What is this and this? W3 Charles is a different website altogether. Interesting. pawners. How do I connect this website to that website? I have no idea. Cool. Gotta take note of this website and hack the box as well. So hang on a minute before I take notes. Let me see. This W3 shells, and we already know that this hack the box. Okay. Can hack me. The score is 54. It was long ago, but does it still work? Oh, come on, tell me if you work or not. Ring 0. Challenges. Team provided a couple of tools that can help you. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. So much interesting. Number of points, number of validations. Number of points, number of validations. So I'm gonna save this one as well. Let me go back. Root me. Okay, hackthebox.eu. Think I should have one thing for rank of awesome. Let me capture that. Rank of awesome. It's not a simple project, I would say. How to connect this to that? Do they give us some keys? Okay. Can hack me doesn't work. This thing works. This thing also works. In the challenges section, there should be challenges that needs to be worked on. And let's see, hackthebox.com. Okay, just copied already. Okay. What else did this guy do? Root me 247 CTF. Rank Lost Shell. Revolution Elite pawnable.kr. Okay, cool. Join a free seat. Okay, capture the flag hacking environment. What? Okay. What? Doesn't make any sense. Okay. Rank. Okay, done. Next, move on to the next one. lostshell.org. Okay, revolution elite. Control C, Control V, and honorable.kr. Some Korean website. Okay. Not sure this is actually working. Okay, who's this guy? Okay, Sport. Not sure what it is. Sphere Online Judge. Sign up and start coding. Become a true programming master. Learn how to code and build efficient algorithms. Oh my god, like 300 million subscribers, 33 million submissions. Interesting. So you can code and also make score in this. So I need to check if that actually is true. So SPOJ, are you there? SPOJ exists. Interesting. Let's start coding then. Okay, there needs to be a link. How can I link this? But this is interesting though. Just gonna save this. And let's see. Lost shell's not gonna, I think it's lost. So we'll just leave it at that. Continue with our thing. Okay. Oh, 26 and 27. Let's see. So 25 is done. So I think I need to do 25, 26, and 27. 25. Okay. This seems to be some poem. Okay, you can see the source code. In this source code, you cannot use dot dot slash, replacing this with nothing. So you can remove dot dot slash, but you cannot remove anything else. Okay, cool. So we're gonna build some payload right over here. Something. Okay, I don't need this anymore. Something like okay, something like this. Then I'm gonna say da, 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 da. And does Etsy password available? Okay, so I cannot use that as well. Don't let people steal your passwords, right? So what to do in that case? The pass directory is not working. So So need to find another way to do this. Let's see. Okay, we have logs over here. Okay, cool. We have logs with session ID and dot log. Okay, cool. So I'm just gonna say, okay, cool. Okay, and so I'll remove this with what do you see? This and session ID. Go here. Come on, come on. Control C, Control V, dot log. Okay, let's combine this with this and then say let's Control C and let's see if this actually works. Okay, it works. So there is an user agent that you can actually use to manipulate. So let's use this and send it to repeater. Okay, so where's the user agent? This one. So remove this user agent, and since this is run by PHP, right, so you can use PHP code. So something like PHP pass through, and what can you say in the pass through function? Can say /etc/ natus underscore web pass natus 26, and then at the end question mark this. Let's see if this actually works. So reload, and we might have got nothing. So I'll just change this. I think the pass-through function is quite different, I guess. So what should I say? Or should I say, so file get contents, and then I should say echo, and this should work. This should work with no difficulties. All right, look at that. Easy, easy, yes. Natus 26. And let's go here. Let's paste this one, and everything should be done. Let's see. Any chat? Right. Everyone's sleeping. That's a good news. I can work in peace. Okay. Looks like I passed and I don't pass. Okay. Okay. Let's say 46, 3049, 3049. And then this one, what is it? 46. And done. Let's see. Natus 26. Natus 26 and this. Okay, need to draw something. So let's say 100, 100, 200, 200. Let's draw. Okay, we have drawn a line. Let's go, let's go. It's storing somewhere in the drawing cookie. Okay, so let's take this. Cyber Chef, come to the rescue. And then Cyber Chef tries to mine Bitcoin from my PC, dividing by 0. Weird sense of humor anyway. Oh no, he's mining Bitcoin Cash, adding LLM. Alright, so URL decode, base64 decode. And this is something, we see there's a source code and there's a class logger. Okay, this logger used anywhere else? No, it's not used anywhere else, which means this is for me. So I'm gonna say online PHP and then PHP sandbox. It's ready. So I'm gonna use the same classer and let's see, do I need all of it? I don't think I need all of it, but anyway, let's use all of it and say this. So I'm gonna have to take care of this indentation. Okay, cool. So actually I don't need this. Okay, I don't need this actually. So I can use one of them and then say this is not necessary. Okay, I'm gonna say some file and then I'm gonna say something. Interesting. So this is the end of this, right? Which means I need to end the class as well, right? Okay, so let me end the class with this. So next I'm gonna say so how do you define a class? Big question, right? So let me just take care of that. Address 26 and this
And
should work. Interesting. So what can we do? Can we create a new variable? Okay, let's say hack. Let's define this variable with the class that we have created over here. Okay, we'll say new logger function and then add this to, let's say, print this out in the terminal. Let's say serialize and then what to do, you can say $hack. I think that should work. So semicolon here, semicolon here. It's a big deal in PHP, so okay, result. Okay, why does it say result like this? Interesting. Why doesn't it do serialize? Hang on. So anyhow, let's do one thing. Let me print out this PHP and then hang on a second. Did I miss equals to? Yes. I'm going to use the same payload I used before, and then I say PHP. And should I say file get contents? File get contents. I think that's a good way to do it. Let's see. File get. I think echo would be better. Or you can use system as well, so you can do whatever you want. So system, because I have used file get contents already, I'm going to use system this time. So let's say cat/etc/natus underscore web pass and natus 27, right? Private lob files, and they should be working fine, right? And end this with this as usual, and you can keep a semicolon just to work. All right, so let me see. Why doesn't it say it's not working? Okay. Something wrong. Let me see. Stack trace, line 6, causing an error. So what should I do? Okay, yeah, this should be enclosed within double quotes. I missed that. Oh, come on. This should work. Okay, anyhow, let me change this as well. Let's see. What should I keep anyway? So I'm gonna keep something like ASDF or HM Cyber Academy .php. Okay, hang on a second. Let me remove this shit. This is not necessary. Should I use a semicolon? Okay. So I think something's crashing. Let's reload this. Okay. Let's run. Okay, it's still the same thing. Line number 6 is causing the problem. So what can we do? Let me use file get contents the same. Get contents, and then inside I'm gonna say this. And is this one causing any problem? Okay, looks like it needs that single quote. Exit message file. Okay, looks like this seems to be the problem. Let's see. Let's run. Okay, failed to open live stream. Code PHP serialize. Okay, so it seems to be working, but let's see. What can we do? there any spaces or anything that's causing a problem? Nothing. And what's wrong? Let me remove this constructor. Let me see if this fixes any problem. It's just messing with me, I guess. So why can't I use semicolon? It's weird. Shouldn't have any problem with this. Not sure why it's causing a problem. Space redirection effect. Okay. System and then cat. This should solve the problem. Uncaught error. Call undefined person system. This is crazy. It's just bugging with me. Okay. Let me do one thing. Chat. Are you seeing this? Okay, you're not seeing this. So basically, we need to go back, copy this thing again, go back, remove this, paste, and select this whole thing again, Shift Tab, and a bracket. That should solve most of the problems. And just remove this, remove this. Okay, slash temp dot something dot. Okay, remove this. Session started, remove this. Session started, remove this. And then exit message, you say PHP. Oh, I forgot to pick. Oh my god, I'm just an idiot. System and then cat slash etc slash natus underscore web pass natus 27. Okay, so this is what I forgot to do. In the beginning, I should keep this because it's PHP, and at the end I should keep this, right? Now it looks like PHP, so it's cool. So now I can say ASDF HM Cyber Academy .php, and now it should give something. Come on. Yes, cool. Now base64 encode this. Base64 underscore encode or not. Is it underscore or should be? Okay, it's underscore. Cool. So it should be again URL encoded. So I can encode that on the go. So where should I use that? I should use that right here. Percentage 3D, percentage 3D. Okay, there's a deal. Just reload this and we should get something out of this one. Okay. Okay, so F open this one. Cool, 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 and cool. Come on, give me the answer. Okay, it's not found. So let's do one thing. Let's change it to something that already exists, which is image. Let's encode this and let's see. Now it seems to be much easier to handle. Let's see, reload and caught exception and img. Come on, dump me the solution. Yes, exactly, exactly. That's what I was talking about. Dump me the solution. Natus 27, and that's the solution. Cool. Let's move on. Okay, 149 points. Now let's change the points. Hopefully I'm 45. Okay, 3008. Cool. It's still 46. Interesting. Who is the next Indian that I need to bypass? This guy. With score of 7166. What's my score? Okay. So I think I can bypass him if I score 100 points, right? Or 200 points or 150 points. No, still cannot. 150 ahead of me. I cannot do that. I have to cross 2 levels in order to do that. But anyway, it's already 1 hour, so I'll just close it over here and I will see you guys in the next video.